Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can promote your reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, you can add them to your story, you can add them across different channels, post them on different social media, and that is definitely a good way to boost them. However, what you can also do through Instagram is you can make sponsored reels, which will then be promoted to other users. And the way that you do this first is you need to go into your settings and activity and scroll down until you see your account type and tools in for professionals. Here you're gonna need to switch to a professional account, and once you do, let me just select video creator, create professional account. And once this sets up, then you'll be able to boost your reels. I'll just go into business and just select next. Once everything is set up, that should be it. Let's say next, skip, and you can complete a couple of different steps to actually set up your account. So for example, get inspired, let's say okay, and these are 3 out of 7 steps. You can get meta verified, which I won't do. You can grow your audience, which I won't be doing. I'll just go, for example, invite friends by Instagram, and then you can just click the check mark, introduce yourself. You can create a post, which I won't be doing, and I'm pretty sure you need to have at least 5 out of 7, maybe even all of the 7 steps done. But even in these steps, as you can see, you can boost guidance, so you can boost your post, and you can go into reels and select whichever reel you would like to boost, click next, and here you'll be able to set up the boost so that your profile is promoted. Now let's say next, and as you can see now, once you're here, set up a payment method and you can boost the post. But this should now enable me to actually become a business account. I'm pretty sure I'm already a business account, so I'm not sure why I still can't do it. But yeah, pretty much you just need to search or switch to a business account. And once you actually do, once you go into your reels on your account, you will be able to click on a boost button, which will allow you to now I should be a business account if I'm not mistaken. So let me just go over here, and this should, yeah, I'm now a professional account, and there are the setup steps right over there. And now if I go into my reel, I should have, yeah, right in the bottom right, you'll see boost reel. So click on that and you'll be able to set up the promotion yourself, and that will then sponsor your reels, and you'll be able to grow your audience that way. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.